In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple ways to rotate any image, text, or layer in Photoshop. Let's start with an image we just opened in Photoshop. When you open an image, it usually appears as a locked background layer. First, click the lock icon to turn it into a normal layer so it can be rotated. One way to rotate an image is by going to Image, then Image Rotation. From here, you can rotate the image 180 degrees, 90 degrees clockwise, or 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now let me show you a better and more flexible way using layers. Click on the layer you want to rotate. Go to Edit and choose Free Transform, or use the shortcut Command+T on Mac or Control+T on Windows. A transform box will appear around the layer. Move your cursor just outside a corner until you see the curved arrow, then click and drag to rotate the layer freely. You'll see the rotation angle displayed as you rotate. For more precise control, you can type an exact rotation value in the angle box at the top or adjust it using the slider. Once you're happy with the rotation, click the check mark or press Enter to apply it. The same steps work for text layers. Select the text layer, press Command+T or Control+T, and rotate it the same way. You can also hold the Shift key while rotating to snap the rotation to 15-degree increments. Release Shift if you want smooth, free rotation. This method works for images, text, shapes, and pretty much any layer in Photoshop. That's it for rotating layers quickly and accurately. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.